The Cozy House Collection luxury bamboo sheet set, featured in magazines such as Martha Stewart Living and Good Housekeeping, is available in 13 colors and comes in all the standard sizes. Each sheet set includes one fitted sheet, one flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. These luxurious feeling sheets are designed to be cool, breathable, and durable, mimicking the look and feel of silk without the high price tag. This material is created by combining polyester with the strength and moisture wicking properties of bamboo viscose to promote thermal regulation while you sleep. The bamboo viscose blend is double brushed for an ultra soft feel that won't irritate skin and is always wrinkle resistant. These sheets resist odors, stains, and fading and are machine washable, making them long-lasting and low maintenance. Bamboo viscose is also fast-growing and renewable, supporting environmental sustainability. The pillowcases feature an envelope-style closure to keep pillows inside, and the fitted sheet's deep pocket design accommodates mattresses up to 16 inches thick. In addition to 360-degree cinched elastic, all 4 corners of the fitted sheet are reinforced with thick elastic straps to hug your mattress and keep the sheets in place for a cool, comfortable, and fuss-free sleep. If for any reason you don't love these sheets, the manufacturer offers peace of mind with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee.